Hi everybody, today I will show you how to create a blog in WordPress. So let's just begin. So first of all, what we need to do, we have to go inside the plugin, and in the plugins, we actually need to go in add a new plugin. And from here, we have to install two plugins. The first one is the Elementor. So we have to install this plugin. So the Elementor is basically the website builder that we can use to create the website or customize the website in the WordPress. So let's activate this. And now let's just click on the add new plugin again because we have to install one more plugin here, that is starter template. And from here we will simply select the ready-made template for our blog. So let's install this and click on the activate. Okay. So as you can see here, the Elementor is activated on our website, and along with that the starter templates is also activated. So now what we need to do, let's just click on the C library. So the starter templates, as you can see here, we have a lot of the different categories here. So we simply go inside the blog here, and in the blog, I will simply click on the travel blog. Okay, so from here, you can actually select the website builder for your WordPress website. So if you're using the blog editor, which is actually the default editor of the WordPress, so you can simply click here, and it will only show you the templates that can be customized with blog editor. And in a similar way, we have the beaver builder. So you can choose the website builder of your choice, but right now I'm using the Elementor here. Okay, so now what we need to do, we have to choose the template from here for our blog. Alright, so for our blog, I will simply go with this template, the blogger. So let's click here. You can look at our template here. That is looking really great. So we have this about me, we have this featured vlog, and after that we have the tools here, and after that we have the footer information. Okay, so if you want to add your own logo here in the place of the template logo, you can simply upload the file from here, and from here you can simply select the logo whichever you want. Okay, but right now I'll just simply go with the default logo, and let's click on the skip and continue. And from here I can actually change the color palette from here, so if I wanted to. So you can see here we have the different colors here, and I can also change the fonts here. So right now we are actually using the pop-ins. So you can go with the Playfair display, you can go with the Mostrate, you can go with the Rubik, you can go with the Roboto, and you can also see the other fonts here. But I would like to go with the default values here in the colors and the fonts. So let's click on the continue and skip and continue. And in here, you can actually write down a little bit about yourself if you want to. But right now, I just simply skip this and click on the submit button. And this would actually start building our website. So it can take from the few seconds to the few minutes. It actually depends on the speed of your internet. So our website is ready, and it actually took the 49 seconds to build our website. So now let's just have a look at our website. Click on the view your website button here. So this is how our website is looking, and this is looking really great here, as you can see here. All right. So if I wanted to customize this template, obviously, as we know that we won't be using the data of the template, we have to add our own data if we wanted to create the blog here. So how can we customize the template? We can customize it with the help of Elementor. So let's click on the edit with the Elementor, and we would be redirected into the Elementor editor for our website. Okay, so this is the Elementor editor, and from here we can actually customize our website. So first of all, I would like to customize the heading here of the name. So here I will just simply write down my name here. Okay, so here, as you can see here, we have the title and we have the link. If I wanted to add the link to the title, I can simply do it from here. And we have the size of the text that is default right now, and we have the HTML tag, and we have the alignment. So if you want to change the alignment, you can simply do it from here. So if you want to put this into the center, you can do it from here. So if I wanted to put this into the left, I can simply click here, and this would be aligned into the left. Okay, so we also have the style. So in the style, you can actually change the text color, you can change the typography of that text if you want to. And we have the text stroke, and we have the text shadow, and we have the blend mode. And in the advanced, we have a lot of the different options that you can explore by yourself. Okay, so if I wanted to change the typography, I will simply click on the edit here. And from here, I can change the family of the text. I can change the size. I can change the weight. We have the transform. We have the style, decoration, line height, and the letter spacing and the word spacing. So you can customize the values from here. Okay, so let's just change the text here as well. So just click here. And from here, you can simply change the text, professional, and you can change the description here if you wanted to in a similar way. And we also have the image. So if you want to change the image, you simply click on the image. And as you can see that we have this image here. So if you want to change it, you simply click here. And you can choose the image from your media library. And if you want to upload the file from your computer, you can simply do it from here. And if you want to use the free images that is available in the WordPress, you can use it from here. And if you want to insert the image by the URL, you can simply do it from here as well. Okay, so let's close this. I don't want to change the image here. And if you want to change the background image of this section, you simply click here on the edit section. And from here, you will be able to see the settings of our section here. So in the section, we actually have the layout and the structure. So in the layout, we have the content width, we have the column gap, we have the height, vertical align and overflow. And in the structure, we actually don't have anything here. Okay, so let's click on the style here. So from here, I can actually change the background image. Okay, so as you can see, we have this background image. So if I want to change this background image, I can simply do it from here, just like the last image. And if you want to change the background into the color, you can simply choose the color from here. And if you want to use the gradient, you can simply use it from here. And if you want to use the video as the background, you can simply do it from here. And we also have the slideshow. So if you want to add the slideshow in the background, you can simply do it from here. So we also have the other options here of the background overlay, border, shape divider, and the typography that you can explore by yourself. Okay, so after that, we have this section. So you can simply customize this like the last section, and we have the about me. Okay, so we have the featured vlog, and after that we have the camera gear here, and in the last we have the footer. So if you want to add the new section into your website, you can simply do it from here. You simply click on the add new section, and from here you can actually select the structure of your section. If you want the 2-column structure, you can simply click here. If you want a 3-column structure, or if you want to add the 4-column structure, you can simply choose the structure from here. So right now I just simply go with the 2-column structure. So we will have the 2 columns in the section. So let's click here, and from here you can add the heading, you can add the image, you can add the text editor, and you can also see the other options here. You can add the Google map, you can add the form here, and you can also explore the other options here. If you want to add the gallery, you can do it from here, and if you want to add the testimonial, you can do it from here. So in this way, we can add the elements into our section. So let's just delete this section right now and click on the update. Okay, so now let's just go back to our WordPress dashboard. So let's click here and click on the exit. Okay, so we are inside the WordPress dashboard. So now let's click on the visit site here, and you will be able to see our website here that we have customized here. Okay, so this is how it is looking. Okay, so let's go back to the dashboard. So if you want to change the menu here, you simply go in the appearance, and in the appearance we have the menus. And right now you can see that we have the primary menu. So we also have the secondary menu and the off canvas menu and the login account menu and the footer menu. If you want to add the new pages to the menu, you will simply check on that page. And from here, I will simply click on the add to the menu, and this would add the page to our menu. So in the similar way, if you want to delete the page from our menu, you will simply click on that page, and from here you can actually remove the page from the menu. Okay, so this is how you can add and remove the pages into the primary menu. So let's save the changes here and go back to our website here and click on a refresh. You will be able to see the sample page here that we have added. Okay, so this is how we can create the blog in the WordPress. And if you want to post in your blog, you will simply go back to the dashboard. And from here, we have the post option here. So if you want to add the new post, you will simply click here. And if you want to see all the posts, you will simply click here. So as you can see here, we have these default posts by the WordPress. So let's click here, and you will be able to see the post on our blog. So this is how we can post on our blog. And if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.